one stacker on a journey to find silver. International stacker.
Continuing on. You guys, I just have these boxes piled up. Look. Piled up. I don't know what I'm opening. Half these orders I don't remember. It's a freaking super fun thing about it. I'm trying to cut this without like cutting my mom's table. So I'm trying to be like slow, deliberate. Okay. We're off to a bad start because you gotta deal with these peanuts. Oh my gosh. Who uses styrofoam peanuts anymore? Why? Why would you do this to me? Why? Oh, I hate this stuff. All freaking out of here. Oh man, what have they done? Who uses styrofoam peanuts? First off, they're bad for the environment. Secondly, they freaking get all over everything. Cleaned up off the floor now. I'm so freaking pit. No, okay. So this looks like a awesome deal. I bought off of eBay, and at the time I bought this, I was earning eBay bucks off of it. So you guys, I've always wanted to get a lot more Morgans in peace collars. I'm assuming that's what this is. But I could never just do it because the price. I was, only one time I got a super good sale on peace, but I could never find really good deals on Morgans. So I got a 10% eBay bucks, and I started looking at some of the silver on eBay and realized I could earn cash back on them. So then it actually enabled me to get some, even though the premiums were higher than I wanted to pay. And I got good deals on these. I got like the best deals I could find on eBay. And again, I only buy from well-known sellers on eBay. So it can be very dangerous, guys. There's a lot of fakes out there. And even with real sellers, good sellers, they can still sell fakes and not even know it. So that's why I got this puppy. So, let's see what I got. First off, let me tell you, what this is supposed to be is a 21 mixed roll. Pre-21. So 1899. Great shape. 1901. And guys, I don't even know the key dates for this. I gotta look that up. There's like a 1999 O or something. And there's like, where's it? 1899 O, or there's like a 1899 CC or something. Okay, that's an O. I think it's 98 O, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look that up. 1881, this one's in really good shape. Probably been cleaned. Okay, 1891. You guys, there's just something so freaking cool about these Morgans to me. 1890, they're all in pretty decent shape. 1901, they all have clear dates. 1890, Imagine Cowboys. Flicking this one in the background. Give me a sarsaparilla. 1897. 1880. That's in good shape. 1890. Are you real? That's in really good shape. We'll find out. 1882. 19 hundo. 1890, 1897, 1901. What is this? Probably a gunfight. Bullet bounced off is in his pocket. 1889. Sweet, guys, I got me some Morgans now. 19 hundo. 1890. Let's make sure there's 20 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like I'm at a casino. You guys ever in a casino they do that? Okay, let's check a couple of these. We're gonna go in here to metal. We're gonna say it's 90% silver. We're gonna say pre-1900. The weight of these is probably 0.77. Okay, so that's 1800. Let's test her. Good. 1800. Good. 1897. Good. 1897. Look how easy this is, guys. Now we know we have not been scammed. Good. 1890. Good. That's a 90. I found out earlier, even if it's a couple of years different, it can make it look fake. Another video, I'm like, what, are these fake? What the heck? Okay, that's around the borderline, but we're okay. So say it's on the borderline, guys. Oh, is it fake? So what we can do is we can go here to measure. It is around. Bring her here. And look, it's between that line and that line, so we know it's good. So go back here. She's good. She's good. It's 1900. Look, and now you don't have to be scared, guys. I recommend this to everybody. If you're aggressive stacker or serious stacker, if you're gonna have more than $10,000 worth of silver and gold, you gotta invest in one of these guys. It burns, I'm not gonna lie. I could have bought so much silver or gold with this. But what happens if this thing saves me from like buying a ton of fake gold and silver? It's already paid for itself. 1800. So look, that one's on a little borderline. What is going on? Let's measure it. And now, peace of mind, we know it's real. So I should go back. Is calibrating, please wait. 1900, 1889, 1897. She's good. I believe this thing has a rechargeable battery, which is nice, guys. Okay, the rest I have are 1900s. So we're gonna go back here to metal. And we're gonna say 1900 and 1945. Wham. Bam. Bam. It'd be kind of cool, Sigma, if there's like a little thing here. Well, I guess I could put something here and just push them off. You know, just keep pushing them. But I'm assuming you don't want them touching. I'm assuming that would probably mess the reading up. All right, guys, what do you think? Finally got some Morgans that I wanted to add them to the set. Let's keep on going.